Dry, frizzy hair can feel like an endless battle. No matter how much you try, it just keeps getting worse. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there are plenty of solutions. This video covers everything from causes to treatments, home remedies, and lifestyle changes that actually work. With the facts, you'll find the perfect way to tackle your hair woes. Ready to transform that frizz into fabulous hair? Let's get started. Professional treatments. When to seek expert help. If all else fails, it may be time to consult a professional. A skilled stylist can assess your hair and recommend treatments like keratin therapy or bond-building treatments, which help repair damaged hair, restore moisture, and reduce frizz. Professional treatments often last longer than at-home remedies and can provide a more dramatic improvement in texture and shine. If you're struggling with stubborn frizz or your hair is severely dry due to overprocessing, this might be the ticket to restored health. After all, sometimes a professional's touch is the best way to revive those strands. Lifestyle changes. Habits that help. Small lifestyle changes can significantly improve hair health. Switching to a silk pillowcase helps reduce friction, preventing breakage and keeping moisture in. Avoid tight hairstyles like ponytails or buns, which can cause damage over time, and opt for looser styles instead. Minimize heat styling by embracing your natural texture or experimenting with heatless styles like braids. When using hot tools, always apply a heat protectant. These simple habits preserve moisture, reduce breakage, and promote healthier, smoother hair with consistent care. Diet and hydration. Beauty from within. We often forget that our hair's health starts from the inside out. A balanced diet and adequate hydration play a significant role in keeping your hair looking its best. Drinking enough water helps hydrate your hair from within, while eating a diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports healthy hair growth. Supplements like biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D are often recommended for promoting healthy hair. These nutrients help improve hair elasticity, reduce shedding, and promote shine. Foods like salmon, eggs, spinach, and nuts are excellent for hair health. Remember, hydrated hair starts with a hydrated body. So make sure you're drinking enough water and fueling your body with the right nutrients to give your hair the support it needs to shine from the inside out. Home remedies. Nature's touch. Not into store-bought products? No problem. Mother Nature has plenty of remedies to keep your hair hydrated, healthy, and frizz-free. Some of the best natural ingredients for treating dry and frizzy hair include avocado, full of healthy fats and vitamins. It helps moisturize and nourish hair. Honey, natural humectant that draws moisture into the hair. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that lock in moisture and help smooth the hair shaft. To make a simple DIY hair mask, mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to damp hair. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. This homemade mask will leave your hair soft, shiny, and frizz-free. Natural ingredients can be as powerful as any product off the shelf and can save you money while delivering deep nourishment. And the best part, you likely already have many of these ingredients in your kitchen. Heat protection, guarding your strands. Let's face it, most of us love styling our hair with heat tools, whether it's a blow dryer, curling iron, or straightener, but the damage heat can cause to dry hair is no joke. Constant exposure to high temperatures can further strip moisture from the hair, leaving it brittle and prone to breakage. To combat this, always apply a heat protectant before using any hot tools. Heat protectants create a barrier between your hair and the heat, shielding your strands from potential damage. A great product to consider is Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, which not only protects but also gives your hair a sleek, frizz-free finish. Be sure to reapply protectant before every use of heat styling tools, and consider reducing the temperature settings on your tools to protect your strands even further. Hair oils and serums seal the deal. When your hair is feeling particularly dry and out of control, it's time to turn to hair oils and serums for some serious nourishment. These products coat your hair, providing a glossy finish, reducing frizz, and locking in moisture. Some of the best oils for dry hair include argan oil, Moroccan oil, and coconut oil. These oils are packed with fatty acids that help nourish and hydrate each strand. restoring shine and softness. The Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Oil is a highly rated product known for its ability to reduce frizz and add a luxurious shine. When applying oils, start with a tiny amount and apply it to the ends of your hair. If you apply it too high up on your scalp, your hair can look greasy instead of glossy. Avoid the roots and focus on the mid-lengths and ends, where hair tends to be driest. Oils and serums are essential tools in your anti-frizz arsenal, providing a polished look while restoring moisture. Leave-in conditioners, the frizz fighters. Leave-in conditioners are like the unsung heroes of hair care. They work tirelessly to keep your hair hydrated and frizz-free all day long. These miracle workers provide long-lasting moisture, smooth out frizzy strands, and help detangle your hair, making it much easier to manage. Look for products that contain ingredients like aloe vera, glycerin, or silicone-based compounds. One of the best leave-in conditioners on the market is Reckon Frizz Dismiss Leave-In Conditioner, which is specifically formulated to fight frizz while providing moisture to dry hair. Apply it after washing, while your hair is still damp, to lock in hydration and create a barrier against humidity. Deep conditioning, your hair's best friend. When it comes to dry and frizzy hair, deep conditioning treatments are a game changer. Think of a deep conditioner as your hair's rescue squad. These treatments are packed with hydrating ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and avocado oil, which penetrate deep into the hair shaft to restore moisture, smooth the cuticle, and reduce frizz. Aim to deep condition your hair at least once a week. Depending on how dry your hair is, you might want to do this more often. Look for a rich, creamy product with nourishing ingredients. Products like the Kerastase Nutritive Mask or Olaplex Snow 3 Hair Perfector are known for their hydrating and repairing benefits. After applying the mask, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, longer if you need extra moisture, then rinse out. Your hair will feel like silk, promise. Deep conditioning is an essential step in restoring moisture, smoothing cuticles, and reviving that healthy shine. The power of proper hair washing. Cleans without stripping. Washing your hair may seem simple, but it's important to do it right, especially for dry and frizzy hair. Many shampoos contain sulfates, which strip essential oils, leaving hair dry. To prevent this, use sulfate-free shampoos formulated for dry or frizzy hair. Look for moisturizing ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and coconut oil to help lock in moisture and keep hair soft. Overwashing can also harm your hair, as it strips natural oils that protect it. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, allowing your scalp to maintain its moisture balance. Why is my hair so dry and frizzy? Before we go on a product shopping spree or apply 20 different oils to our hair, it's crucial to understand the cause of the issue. Dry and frizzy hair doesn't just magically happen. It's a result of several factors that leave our hair looking like it's been through a wind tunnel. The most common culprits are environmental exposure, excessive heat styling, chemical treatments, and even something as simple as overwashing. The weather plays a significant role. Humidity, for instance, makes your hair swell and expand, leading to frizz, while dry air from heaters in winter can strip moisture from your strands, making your hair feel like straw. Overuse of hair dryers, flat irons, and curling wands contributes to dehydration, making the hair more prone to damage. And if you color your hair, that's an instant ticket to a drier texture, as most hair dyes contain harsh chemicals that strip natural oils. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more hair care hacks and solutions, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Here's to smoother, healthier hair. See you in the next video.